2026 is here, whether you're ready for it or not, and leadership is changing faster than ever before. AI can help us streamline tasks, it can automate processes, and it can even predict some outcomes, but it can't replace what makes leadership truly transformative, and that is human connection, decisive action, and investing in the growth of the people around us. So today, we're diving into how leaders can leverage AI while still keeping people at the center of everything they do. All right, well, welcome back, everybody, to Northbound. Hey, I'm glad you're here today, and I am excited to start off a new year, 2026. I mean, I'm having a hard time wrapping my head around the fact that that's here. Things are changing rapidly. I think you feel it. I feel it. I mean, and we see it. We see it all around us. Let's start today and start this new year on this podcast by reading a verse from the Bible. And it has to do with what we're going to talk about today. And it's specifically Proverbs 11, verse 14. Where there is no guidance, the people fall, but in an abundance of counselors, there is victory. We need to keep in mind as we move forward and technology explodes, that technology is not a replacement for sound, wise counsel. And the first wise counsel comes from God, the one who made all this. That's where it starts. Today, we're talking about the future here. What does 2026 look like? What does it look like for you in leadership, for your business, your organization, your team? There's a new landscape coming. It is moving faster than we can keep up. And what's going to happen in the next few years, I don't know, but it is going to be wild. So let's start with artificial intelligence, or AI. It's everywhere. It's in task management. It's in process optimization, decisions support. I mean, if your business is not using it, I would be surprised. Pretty much everybody is using AI now. But there's a danger to it. And there are pros. I mean, man, it is helping people build applications very fast. It's helping with efficiency and with all kinds of process improvement. And people are writing books that they couldn't write before, sharing their thoughts and maybe even their expertise quicker than they ever could before. So there's a lot of good, but there is a danger, and it is letting tech replace human interaction. And this is especially true in leadership. Technology should empower us, but not replace us. It should empower you as a leader, but not replace you. And really, even more empowering and more encouraging than technology is the people you surround yourself with. So while technology is helping you, and it may empower you, and it may help you be more efficient, make sure there are people in your life who are encouraging you along the way. AI is a great tool, not a crutch. We can use it to save time on repetitive tasks, use it to maybe make some decisions faster. You could use it to analyze your team's workflow, but only you can address morale, motivation, and personal challenges. So how are we going to lead in 2026? What's our goal? What's our mission? Well, it's to prioritize relationships, those regular one-on-ones, the authentic check-ins with your people, authentic feedback. We're going to talk in a later episode about authentic feedback and what that looks like. And encourage collaboration, especially when it's around any AI-driven processes. Make sure that there is human collaboration going on around that. And then always maintain transparency about how AI is being used. Be honest about it. Show your organization how you are using it, but how they're not being replaced. And then this is a year, in 2026, this is a year of focusing on action. We are going to go into 2026 with a different mindset. We're going to use AI, maybe not, but if you're using AI, you're going to use it to be more efficient. You're going to use it on your processes, but you're going to focus on action-oriented leadership. AI is going to inform you, and you as a leader are going to act. You're going to use AI for efficiency while growing your team. You're going to balance speed and thoughtful, positive, personal execution. That's what 2026 is going to be all about. So if you want to experience growth in 2026, adapting to new technology is going to be key. And while you're doing that, you're going to stay grounded in the core leadership values that you know you're learning and that you practice. When AI frees up your time, fill it with coaching, mentoring, and development. 2026 is this: efficiency plus people-centered leadership is going to equal exponential results for you. So here's my closing thought and a call to action. In 2026, leadership isn't about choosing between people and AI. It's about using AI to amplify the impact of your human connections. So lead boldly, take action, never forget that the people you lead are your greatest advantage. Let the AI do the heavy lifting and you lead the way. All right. Thanks everybody for tuning in today to the Northbound podcast. Welcome to 2026. I am very excited and humbled to walk with you in leadership this coming year and many to follow. If you want to be a part of our team, come to go-northbound.com. You can join our community there. You can also contact me directly at chris@go-northbound.com. I'd love to link up with you and walk with you in leadership. Thanks, everybody. See ya. You just listened to another episode from the Northbound podcast. Thank you for tuning in today. I hope you were encouraged and empowered in leadership. Go lead boldly and humbly. And remember our vision: elevate your team through Christ-centered leadership. If you want to be a part of our community, just go to go-northbound.com and follow the link and come join us. Follow along with courses and live streams and chats, and maybe even join us for an adventure. We'd love to have you. All of those links are in the description below. Thank you again for tuning in. It's been a pleasure. See ya.